really helped me get out of that lazy phase. Hey girl, how are you today? It's Monday, January 13th already. I cannot believe we're almost halfway through January. I'm in my office. I hope you all are having a great day, by the way. This is post my getting my dream piece of artwork for my office. And it was hanging right behind me here. Honey, how about we tried to hang this thing and it fell again? Okay. It's a mess. So we are trying still to get the frame that went around it repaired because it shattered, if you recall, in the last vlog. We're working on that, honey. My hair, oh my goodness. I am not on camera today, so that's awesome. I had washed my hair. And guys, I actually just brushed my hair and it's pretty much like a blowout. So I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do, honey. But since I'm not on camera today, I'm just letting it free. Correction, I don't have any more calls today. I had calls this morning, which is why I am dressed. Plus, I'm making it a habit to get up daily and get dressed as if I am actually leaving the house, because I want to get out of this kind of lazy stage that I have been in. I may roll out of the bed about 15 minutes before work if I don't have meetings, and I can be in pajamas all day. So I'm trying to do better with that. That was just a short period when I did that, but usually I get up, you know, the natural hygiene and all that, but I don't really get fully dressed, like makeup, you know. That has helped tremendously for me to get up and just start getting dressed as if I'm going into the office. That's really helped me get out of that lazy phase, and you feel better, to be honest. So after my meetings today, while I was on camera, I had my hair in a bun, but I'm letting it free, letting it breathe, okay, right now until I decide what I'm going to do. I may do a twist out on the hair, on dry hair, just stretched out like it is. Try to stretch it out some more with my brush later, as I know I need a trim too. I need it shaped, but I may try to do something with it for the week, because I do have upcoming meetings that I have to facilitate later in the week. So I want my hair really cute. You know what I'm saying? Twist outs are always the way to go. Easy, and I can, you know, maintain it for several days. I love a twist out. Having leftovers tonight, I have to work on a PowerPoint presentation for a meeting and actually a presentation for later this week. So I'll be working on that here this afternoon or this evening later on. Sometimes I even work, you know, past your office hours, that 8 to 5, 9 to 5. Because during that time, I can really concentrate on my PowerPoint presentations and that kind of thing without being bombarded with emails, phone calls, and all that stuff, you know. So sometimes, you know, it's worth it just working outside the office hours and getting that stuff done. So I may do that. And I'm going to also make some grape jelly meatballs. Now, these were a hit at my holiday party, and we are thinking about hosting a Super Bowl gathering. So I'm going to add a few more spices or seasonings, if you will, to them. So I like to test those out. Look, my hair looking crazy. But test those out before the actual party. So I'll bring you along with me while I just throw those in my Instant Pot, and we can make those together. I can show you what I do with them. But they were a huge hit at our holiday party that we hosted. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go in here and get these ingredients together, make sure I have everything. So they are so good. Let me know in the comment section if you add grape jelly to your barbecue meatballs. Some people don't like it, like my mom. She does not care for it. She doesn't care for sweetness with her meatballs. So she just likes the barbecue sauce, but I'm telling you, they were a hit. And I've never done it this way until last month. Other than that, guys, I'm going to finish with my emails, and I'm going to take Layla out probably one more time. She just wanted to go out and play in the snow, so she didn't take care of her business.